Yo, what's up guys? How y'all doing? So this video is for all my 240 people with the LS swaps, especially if you're single turbo. This is much needed, especially if you run my kit. So as you guys previously saw in the videos, we have our 5.3 liter single turbo max speed and rod turbo, shout out Trigga spec turbo kit, heat wrapped. So with this kit, one thing that I noticed right away, which was kind of impossible to dodge, was that these spark plug wires are in a very weird spot. This kit's very compacted, so like the rubber on the lines will stay against this. Now you guys previously saw when we first got our motor, we had got a set of the MSD red wires, but I ended up selling those and I bought this DIY kit where you make your own MSD coils from Tons Performance on eBay, shout out to you. But it comes with all our clips for the coil pack, all the tips with a nice 45-degree bend, because if you guys look right here, this is our turbo. Our downpipe is going to be going this way. If you have a straight end going down, it's going to rub against the downpipe. But if you got one of these, you can angle them like that, so you could clear it, or whichever way you want. Obviously we'll get to there. I also went ahead and got some heat sleeve. Now you guys can see when you order the kit, it comes with I went ahead and got the ceramic style, so it has the ceramic tape. This is good for very high temp, and then it has a wire, and to conserve a wire and save it from going out, I went ahead and heat shrinked it. Now this is kind of annoying to do, but well worth it. So this heat shrink, there's no way that hose will melt anymore. It has fiberglass on the inside, and yeah, check that out, it looks good. So I went ahead and only did half the lines. I did this side already just to mock it up, but as you guys can see right there, those look very nice, and if it even rubs against the manifold, nothing is going to happen. But I did this 4, now I'm gonna do that other 4, and then I'll show you guys how I'm gonna route it and how we're gonna make the clips for the end. And this kit was like 180 bucks, I want to say, or something like that. Super worth it, very well designed. And there's cheaper styles too that come with the rubber style like this on this end, but I didn't want those. I wanted the ceramics because these things I know can take a lot of heat without any issues. Just not trying to go through spark plug wires and have to replace them every few months. This route will solve that issue forever. Alright, let's get to it. I'm gonna start wrapping the other 4 lines in that, and then as you guys saw, I heat shrinked it as well right here, so it's nice and snug. Alright, so these are 2 of the spark plug wires. I went ahead and got 3/4 size heat sleeves, and you just slide them over, and then with the heat gun, heat it up, but comes out like this, super clean. Alright guys, sorry the camera ended up having problems and I didn't have any more batteries, but so I went and actually did these, and I was going to explain to you guys how to do it, because this process actually took much longer than I anticipated. It's actually a big pain to do, to be honest, but it wasn't bad, I guess. So as you guys can see, we got our MSD coils installed now. So we got all the plugs installed, we heat shrink them, and then we put the separators on. So mainly the thing you guys want to do is with the connectors, you're gonna want to strip your wires like this, and obviously much longer. Take the white piece off too, and then you're gonna want to bend this metal wire back so it's sitting against this. Put your electrical component on it, and then use the crimping tool to crimp it. And the tool I used was this, and you go ahead and utilize this right here, the terminal crimp. So as you guys can see, it's self-explanatory. The sides go up, and then you press it in, and the bottom has to sit right there, and then you tighten them up. And so then yeah, you pretty much pass them through the boot. If you have these boots like I have that have the 45-degree bend, super pain, but it comes out super nice. So that's the driver's side, and then the passenger side, because of the turbo manifold and everything, we route it up this way and goes through here. But yeah, that's pretty much how you would do it. Some people don't do the heat shrink method, but I went ahead and put the heat sleeve and then heat shrink it, so it comes out super nice. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Anyways, hope this video helps any of you guys trying to do the MSD spark plugs, and yeah, came out super good though.